Okay, so we have a product of t squared and sine of 2t. Okay, so here I think it's obvious to pick u to be the t squared because that's the thing that gets simplified when you differentiate it. Right? Let's pick dv to be sine of 2t dt. Okay, so then du is equal to 2t dt, and v is equal to minus half cosine of 2t. Okay, so by integration by parts, we're gonna get minus half t squared cosine of 2t. If you multiply those two, you get, because of this minus here, we get plus, okay, plus t cosine of 2t dt. Okay, so integration by parts one more time for the t times by cosine of 2t. So let u equal to t and dv equal to cosine of 2t dt. And v is equal to, this is going to be half of sine of 2t. Okay, so we get minus half. Just copy down what I have above. Okay, this right here will become a half t sine of 2t. Okay, multiply those two and multiply these two. Minus half integration of sine 2t dt. Alright. Okay, so let's just integrate that now, and we're gonna get a minus cosine of 2t over, okay, over another 2. Okay. So finally we have double negative, you get positive quarter cosine of 2t plus constant. Okay, so in here we actually need to plug in, ignore that c above, we actually need to plug in, this is a definite integral, 2 pi and 0. Okay, so let's first plug in 2 pi, you get minus half 2 pi squared. Cosine of, if you plug in 2 pi, you get 4 pi, and cosine of 4 pi is 1. Okay, half 2 pi sine at every like 0 pi 2 pi is 0, it's 0, so it's just gonna disappear. Okay, because of that. Again, we have a quarter cosine of, this is gonna be 4 pi, so it's 1 again. Okay, minus, let's plug in 0, cosine of 0. Okay, cosine of 0 is 1, but that's t squared will turn the whole thing into 0, so we have a 0. Because of t, again, we have a 0. And here it's going to be positive a quarter because there's no t, but only cosine of 2t. Okay, so we have 4 pi squared divided by negative 2, so that's negative 2 pi squared plus a quarter, and then you get a minus a quarter. Okay, so that cancels out, and our final answer is this.